We found a dead squirrel, and he's cut it up right next to this little monster with a packet of infrared exploding target. We're going to shoot it with suppressed 22. Okay.
Why should we back up?
Probably right here is good.
Alright.
Tell me when you're going to do it.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Missed?
Yeah, a little low.
Holy shit. Oh
Yeah,
my god.
Felt that one.
Where the fuck did the squirrel go? Dude, there's a big splash in the pond. I bet you went in the pond.
Probably.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was pretty sweet.
That was awesome for a 22 target.
Jeez, look at all the stuffing everywhere.
Dude, I want to find the squirrel.
You're not gonna find the squirrel. The squirrel is...
Yeah, but he might float if he went in the pond. Okay, so we're walking around the pond. We shot on that side. I couldn't find the squirrel. And there's a squirrel.
Is it half of it?
Yeah, it's only half of it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That's what's up.
Yep.
PETA can suck on that.